I don't have a guider. So second pin. So I gotta just put the second pin on here. So I'm gonna be good again. As you guys can see, I'm just twisting it on right for right now. Like I said, I'm gonna use my drill for a little anchor for a minute. Cause then I can turn this thing the way I want to turn it. Okay. I'm gonna hold it for now. And then, as you guys can see, voila. Holds tight and it's firm. You can put the whole screw in if you want to. I'm not, because it's kind of getting a little bit wet out here right now. So I'm just gonna go with the float that I got right at this point and cut this wire and get it all taped up and keep it moving. So this kind of short, but I got screws that actually came. Not screws, but wires that actually came with the speakers. They gave, I mean, it's an entire kit. If you don't have wires that came with your speakers, you know what I mean, you can always go and just buy any regular speaker wires and go with the flow. You don't have to be all technical. This ain't a sound system. It's just something to give me a little bit of audio when I'm driving. That's about it. My wife's car sounds better than my shit. I got this truck with a shitty ass, shitty speaker system. I ain't gonna lie. That's why I'm out here trying to upgrade myself, trying to be in her class.
I have a better car, that's why.
Yeah, because she drive a little Toyota. She thinks she's the shiznit, and she ain't.
Tired.
She drive a Toyota. She get testy if you don't say it all right and shit, Nick. I still say it's a whatever car, even though it's the best joint on the block. But at the same time, Toyota can't take on. I mean, little Camry can't beat the GMC. Well, we got the pull power.
So what you doing now?
So right now, guys, I am. Ah, man. Wrong on that one. Gotta do that over again. And technically that is my fault why that didn't work properly. I was trying to cheat it because I'm getting wet, like I said. I don't like getting wet. But I already started it, so I was like, you know what? Wet or wet not, I gotta finish this job. I gotta finish what I started on my truck. And plus I got these speakers yesterday, so I'm planning on really doing it today, but I didn't went and do that floor job I have to do. So as you can see, you space out your wire so you can tie them. You can tie them and everything. So now we're gonna unravel this one that I just was twisting, trying to cheat the system again. Guess that don't work. So now it's gonna give me a tighter braid because now the wires are all intertwined. Everybody got their own method of doing things. You know what I mean? This is my method to the madness. Yeah. Oh, you gotta be straight kidding me. My method to the madness, but my method to the madness giving me a hard ass time. I think I need to just calm my ass down. I'm trying to move too quick, too fast. Okay, come on, baby. You're agitating the heck out of me. Intertwine you like I'm supposed to. Oh man, do I have a pliers for this? Yeah, that's a bird beak again. I ain't got my correct pliers. I'm gonna use this one for the twisting process. That way I know they're tight. They're rock tight this time, guys. It's rock tight. There ain't gonna be no more pulling out on me. don't need too much electrical tape to tape wires up. Old man told me that you use too much electrical tape to tape one wire up. That means you don't know what the hell you're doing. That's why I just ripped off that little piece and call it a day. Take up my big boy right here. So I'm just gotta take out my front speakers. I think I'm gonna take my front speakers out. Not tomorrow, but sometime in the week. I'm gonna take my front speakers out and replace them with different speakers. There's more things to come, because I'm also gonna be upgrading the tires on the truck and put on bigger tires on the truck. I don't think I'm gonna be messing around. I think I like my stock wheels as they are. I was gonna change them and get them black and silver joints, but and I mean, like they say, what's not broken don't fix it. I'm gonna be changing the lights though, that's for sure, and the door lights. I'm gonna change all that kind of stuff on the truck. So now we back to speaker. We are back to this part of it where we gotta put this back onto this piece. But as you guys can see, you gotta make sure all of these are straight, because they gotta go right back into that same little crappy slot GMC made for it. Gotta bring these down. You'd have thought they would give us better speakers, but I guess not. Better something, but I guess not. Gotta keep these down, try to get it in as best as I can. Hold up a minute. That's in. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so this is a clear indication that one of my screws is actually hidden. So what that means is all I gotta do is just drill that straight through the plastic itself. Once these are lined up correctly, you know what I mean, you gotta make sure everything is lined up correctly, and then just drill through it. This one is not, so I'm gonna speculate this must be in. As you can see, something else is going on back here. I can't tell what it is. Okay, so I'm realizing that my housing is actually hitting that section. Alright, so we can tell that the bottom screw. Alright, let's see what's going on, because there's something blocking this speaker from going in. I can't tell because the other side never had a issue like this one. I'll put a screw here. Back here completely. Okay. That's what. Another bird pliers in. Oh man. Where the heck? Okay, there it is. Word to the wise, if these things are giving you a problem, just bend them all the way back, because they already fulfilled their purpose and everything already. They're holding the speaker flush and mounted. So sometimes they're gonna give you a little issue. Just bend them all the way back. Try that, because this is my first time trying to do the conversion to my truck where the speakers are concerned. This is a great one. So what is causing this? Okay. Side gas. So basically, is blocking. Okay. Let me see something. Okay. No, baby. Man, why can't I get this one? did with the rest of the screws I have for this thing? Time to improvise. So the one I didn't put in, now I gotta put it in. Because evidently, this side has different things here than the opposite. Okay. So let's see. Alright. This one is giving me a warm time. I'm trying to figure it out. Like, why was it giving me a warm time? Why would it be giving me such a long time? I can't see the problem. Alright guys, I'm just gonna come back. I gotta figure this out because there's something that's going on here.